Socket is life. When you're an educator who does slides for your classes, does the artwork during your me time, or someone who happens to be writing a book, there'll be moments talaga that you'd like to go out of your house and have a change of space. And that perfect place would be the newly opened Korean Creative Space. Located at 131 D. Tuason Street, corner Simon Street, aka tapat lang ng Gate 3 ng STC or St. Teresa's College, Quezon City, this is a perfect place for freelancers like me who like to have a cozy place where I can work or do my artworks or write. This place has Wi Fi and, of course, lots of sockets. Aside from great food, there's other things that you can do. But let's explore more, okay?
Welcome to Korean Creative Space. Here at 1B1 Dituasan, in front of St. Teresa's College.
Blanc,
I'm the owner of Korean.
Ayan. And she's very artistic. I should know because she's my student, my theater art student.
I started, or my husband and I started this project or this creative space because I really love art. So I always ask him to go some galleries or places that we can at least appreciate colors kahit colorblind siya. So, I also invited to, ayun nga, yung mga paintings, ayan, kasi natutuwa ako, yung mga sceneries. And yung mga cool, so, yung start namin to, hindi talaga siya creative space. Co-working space, pero yung design is may arts pa din. And so, dahil parang sabi namin, for sure for the creative space, medyo maingay, may mga workshops, kasi I also do flower workshops, mga books. So, why not just do it here rather than looking for other cafes? Diba? So, that's one of the reasons bakit pinush ko namin yung creative space. And then, I also met some artists na nag-paint, ayan. So, I also want to collaborate with them. So, different artists, different collaborations, different activities, not just for adults, but also for youth. So, this space or this place is a good location din kasi near schools din. So, maraming schools around the area. Okay. We started getting this place last November. So, parang we thought na if wala pa nakakuha na itong area, this is for us. So, nung time na bumalik kami from Japan, wala pang kumuha, even the 1 month na namin siyang na-acquire. So, sabi namin, eto na talaga, this is for us. And then, siguro yung process is, ano kasi siya, dating warehouse. So, never siya naging ganito. So, kung ano siya before, sobrang laki ng pinagbago niya. So, we had renovation for this to be maging successful na yung itsura niya. And then, before we open last week, this week lang din, sumabog yung pipe sa taas. So, nagbaha dito. So, nag-release pa talaga kami. Pero dahil naayos naman, so we really pushed to na ma-open siya before November ends. And also, ma-offer din yung intimate space to everyone this coming December. Kasi para for gatherings, for Christmas parties, reunion. So, ito yung process na sa tingin namin, hindi lang naman siya for us. It's for everyone na looking for a space na not just for chill, but also for bonding. So, Crayon is inspired by Crayon, Shin-chan Crayon. So, it is a cartoon that my husband truly admires. So, Shin-chan is a free spirit cartoon character. So, eto Crayon is a girl version. So, crayon comes from the word crayon, which is in Japanese crayon. So, and we love arts and colors, so that's why we chose the word crayon.
Okay. So, ayun. So,
Okay.
so,
Hindi ko na alam.
hindi okay lang.
Okay, so here, once you enter this Korean creative space, you will see this cat.
Uh-huh.
So this is bought from Nicely Done.
Uh-huh.
They are a art shop, so they collect vintage or creative stuff and they sell it. So, ano ko siya nakuha for prosperity.
Parang kakaiba ha. Ang laki ah.
Ang laki, no?
At saka may ganon. Usually, gumagalaw yan, di ba? Ayun.
So, wala rin. Nakat niya lang din attention.
Okay.
And we decided to put it here para attractive ng person, ng mga customers.
Okay.
We have here the self-bus station. So, we promote Play Go, so Kinas You Go. So, we have here for the trash, for the dine-in or take-out. And then we have here place for mugs, cups, utensils, plates, and the trays. So, if you have food, leftover food, we prefer to put it on top here for the plates. And then you can see here our own artworks.
Wow.
So, me and my husband created this artwork from Stick and Go.
Okay.
Okay, we offer pastries. So
Okay.
we have different types of pastries. We have cookies,
Okay.
donuts. For the we have the matcha, the chocolate, the red velvet, and then we have the croissant and the floss. So every week, most of the time we have suppliers for this one, but most probably we will hopefully change it every week so that may bago. Okay, we have here brookies, so combination of brownies and cookies, matcha donuts.
Okay.
Below are the croissants, so ham and cheese croissant, and then red velvet cookies, and then chocolate donuts. We have also the floss. We have chicken and pork floss, and same as this one, the ham and cheese croissant. Here at Korean, we also offer board games. So they can use our board games and they can also bring their own. So wala namang wala namang policy about it. It's just that once you borrow the board games, just return them properly. And then we also have here some artworks. So these are from Filipino as well, so support local artists. Because we had them from Escolta. So that's art community as well.
Okay.
So we have here
Okay, where?
items or some artworks or some ano tawag ito?
Kaya mo yan.
We have here some
Ano yan?
Ano ba to? Coloring books
Ah,
for
okay.
kids. So we have some coloring books for kids, ages 3 and up, so they can also stay here. We also offer some DIY, DIY beads, DIY bracelets, keychains. Here, keychains. And then guka.
Oh, what's a gupa? Oh,
Yeah, they
Sorry,
just
ah.
have to create keychains
Sobrang-
from this.
Masyadong kita.
Pang kids. Ayan.
Oh.
And then,
oh, you have pens.
yeah, some colored pens for them. It's just for free. They just have to buy the coloring books. So
Yun.
that's it.
So, like ako, what if, is it okay then to bring a sketchbook and my own
Yes,
pen?
you can bring.
Ayun. Kasi mahilig ko ako mag-drawing. Ayun.
For the vision, where we envision this place to branch out to different cities. So given na may house kami sa Cavite, hopefully we can branch out to Cavite as well as Cavite. Pero for now, we want to focus on this place as business. And then if kaya, we can move to a bigger place para mas ma-accommodate yung other events. Pero for now, we want to make this as much as possible full of art. So if there are some street artists or artists that they want to showcase their art, they can come here and then just post it. para makita din and ma-promote din to other aspiring artists.
What I love about this place is that it's cozy, it has a friendly staff. Hi!
Punta po kayo sa Korea.
Your
Miss
name po?
Kambal. I'm Gia po.
Yeah, hi, yes. Hi, Jason. Hello. And you are? Hello. So, sila yung mga staff dito na very smiley and approachable. Ayun. So, what's good about Korean is it's just a few blocks away from my house. It's like a 12-minute walk, and I could go here anytime. So come and see. So come to Korean, a place where creativity and comfort meet.